Hi there, students. Tempo. Okay, we use tempo in two different ways, but they're very similar. Firstly, the tempo is the speed at which a piece of music should be played. The beat, the rhythm. Yeah, you have a metronome that beats the tempo of your piece of music or your singing. And then from that, we also use this tempo, this word tempo, to talk about the speed, the rate that an activity takes place. So the tempo of modern life is very fast. Yeah, it's the speed at which an event happens. Okay, if we're going to finish this project on time, we need to increase the tempo. We need to up the tempo. We need to work faster if we're going to finish on time. So it's the rate, the rhythm of activity, the pace. Yeah. I have a feeling that in the old days, the tempo of things was slower. And I think over time, the tempo of life has steadily been increasing. So a tempo, a frequency, a rate, a call center. Perhaps a person needs to answer 20 calls an hour. Yeah. Or maybe they need to up the tempo. They need to do it faster. Okay, so the tempo, it's the speed at which things are done, the tempo at which decisions are made, the tempo, the speed, the rate, the velocity, the speed somebody is doing something, yeah, the pace of activity. So the game has been played at a very fast tempo. A dance could have a very fast tempo, or start with a fast tempo and then move to a slow tempo. Let's see, one of the things I've noticed whenever I go to big cities, the tempo that people walk at is much faster in big cities. People have got to get there. They've got to get there on time. Otherwise they're going to be late. The tempo of a song, the speed that it's sung at. The tempo of an event is the speed at which it happens. Life in the countryside has a much more slow rural tempo. Yeah. Okay, but the tempo, the speed at which you do something, the rate at which it is done. You could dance to the tempo of the music. The music could have a fast tempo or a slow tempo. You need to adapt to the tempo of life in the place where you are living. Personally, I prefer nowadays to live life at a leisurely tempo. I don't like it when people try to accelerate my tempo. Or a film, for example, perhaps it starts quite slowly and then the tempo slowly gets faster and faster and faster. And by the end of the film, the tempo, the different activities happening is very fast. Okay, so this word tempo, it's talking about the speed at which something happens, the rate, the pace at which it goes on. So I don't know, the tempo of modern life. Okay, formality. Tempo. 5.5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Italian tempo, which itself comes from Latin tempus, meaning time. Yeah, remember tempus fugit. Time is flying. Okay, so the tempo. Yes, let's see. I release videos at a tempo of normally 4 videos a day. Okay, I think that's probably about the maximum tempo I can do it at. Although in the past my tempo was lower. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tempo.